Welcome. In front of me is an IGET Smart L203, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, hold the power key. Once you see boot options, you want to hold power off. It will bring up this window, reboot to safe mode, so simply confirm it by tapping on OK, and it will initiate the reboot. Just give it a moment till it boots up again. Yeah, now that it's back on, you can see that there is what I would call a watermark right at the bottom. Safe mode. This will stay here as long as you are in this mode. That is so you are aware that you are actually in safe mode. And that is because in safe mode, only the pre-installed or pre-existing applications will work, and anything that you have installed from Play Store or any other means will be disabled and will not start at all. Now that being said, once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, hold the power key and simply select restart to leave this mode, and this will go back to normal. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.